Welcome back to Coding with Kyle. This is episode 1 of the IC Avatar developer series, and we're going to show you how to set up your developer environment. Here we are with the DFINITY Developer Center. Links for this page and any other sites I visit will be down in the description or in the page below. We're going to get started with the 5-minute quick start guide here at sdk.dfinity.org. For this demonstration, I will be using macOS. However, we do support Linux and recommend Ubuntu 20, as well as Windows Subsystem 2 for Linux. The first thing that we will do is download the SDK by copying this command and running it in a terminal. Now, with DFX installed, I'm going to move into a tutorials directory and move on to the next step. Now, with DFX installed, I will run dfx new hello. This is dfx, the name of the SDK, with a command of new, and hello as the name of the new project that we're going to create. And we can change directory into hello and take a look at what we have. Here we're set up with a project that has a main.mo Motoko file and a hello assets directory with assets and source. We'll get into what is in all of these files in later videos. For the purposes of this series, I will be working out of Visual Studio Code, and I suggest you do too, just for simplicity's sake. Now that we have our project, we can start a local version of the Internet Computer with dfx, the command start, and background will have it run in the background. Now we can verify that our packages are installed and deploy our project to the local replica. One thing to note is that you will need Node.js installed, as it says down here. Now, your canister should be up and running, so we can test this out by copying this command and calling our canister with hello should greet everyone. That is a direct call to the backend canister. And let's conclude by spinning up the front-end canister for local development. And calling this with everyone as well. And that's all it takes to get started working with DFX on your first Internet Computer application. In the next episode, we will go over how to configure our IC Avatar application and to set up the backend with some simple create, read, update, and destroy functionality. I'll see you next time.